Amidst all the talk of how the grandson of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his wife were living in an old age home, there are some scathing opinions being written on how it still remains a mystery as to why did the Gandhis have to return to India when they had enjoyed every luxury possible and had the best of everything over time. Some ask why has Kanubhai Gandhi stayed aloof and why his stay in Gujarat went unnoticed. We catch up with Gandhi a day after Narendra Modi spoke to him at a personal. While he has refused to speak less, it is evident that his own have kept an arm's length from him. Guru Vishram Vridh Ashram is where the grandson of Mahatma Gandhi stays. For the past few days, this old age home in southeast Delhi has been witness to a number of media persons coming and reporting on Kanubhai Gandhi. After living in the US for the last 4 decades, Kanubhai Ramdas Gandhi and his wife, Dr. Shiva Lakshmi Gandhi, decided to come and live at the Guru Vishram Vridh Ashram. They arrived on May 8th.
I can't tell you all that.
Sir, did you ever try to contact the government of India for any support or help?
No, I did not. But the present leaders of the government of India had come where I was, and I supported them and gave them encouragement. They remember it. I had a wonderful talk yesterday with Modi ji, and that's all. But that I can't be telling it every time.
So share any beautiful moments you spent with Mahatma Gandhi.
No, the beautiful moments are for us. I can't ask you to share beautiful moments with your grandfather and yourself. Why? Because they're so private.
The ashram, located in a narrow street in Mohan Estate, is home to 250 elderly men and women. The inmates have to sleep on the floor, though frail and weak, and some even fighting dementia. Kanubhai and his wife, though, have got pets. The ICU has been turned into a room for them. 87-year-old Kanubhai Gandhi seems tired, as many people, including political leaders, had been visiting the ashram to meet them the last few days. Kanubhai previously worked at NASA while his wife was a biomedicine researcher.
No, I have no appeal to, because Modi ji knows things.
So did you feel comfortable here?
My brother here has made me very comfortable.
And sir, any about just see you.
अच्छा, इनके बारे में he is one of the great men who is doing the most difficult type work which any human being can do. तो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट, वो डिस्क्राइब करना भी, वो ये जो बुढ़े लोग रास्ते पे पड़े रहते हैं उनको उठा के लाना और उनकी सेवा करना, वो सरल नहीं है, कठिन भी नहीं है, कठिन से ज़्यादा कठिन है.
The Guru Vishram Vridh Ashram got its first AC on May 8th. It was fixed in the room that serves as the home's ICU, the only room in the facility with beds, so that it could accommodate 2 new inmates, the Gandhis. Kanubhai is Mahatma Gandhi's grandson. The boy, famously captured on camera pulling the Mahatma's walking stick and leading him on a brisk beachside walk. He is one of the 3 children of the Mahatma's 3rd son, Ramdas.
I started this old age home in 2003. Myself, Dr. G.P. Bhagat. I am the founder of Guru Vishram Vridh Ashram, managed by SHIOS, Sant Hardayal Educational and Orphans Welfare Society. And around 2000, near 2000, generally in media, this news used to come that the children they are abandoning their parents and they are throwing them on the street of Delhi, NCR, airport, public places, temples. Such places they used to abandon them, just they throw them out from their home. Then that time I surveyed whether any NGO working for these people, taking care of these people. So that time there was no NGO, not a single NGO working for these people.
They have no children. They returned to India in 2014. They lived in various ashrams in Gujarat before moving to Delhi recently. Kanu Bhai was 17 when Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. After Bapu's death, Jawaharlal Nehru and US Ambassador John Kenneth Galbraith sent him to Massachusetts Institute of Technology to study applied mathematics.
We are supporting around 250 elderly right now, but we have brought from the street around 4,500 during these 13 years, and around 1,000 people. Actually, there are two types of people. One group is abandoned, another group is they get lost because of dementia. Just they came out from their home and they forgot. They won't go back. So such people, their children, they search, and while searching they came here and they found their parents here, they took. So we have rehabilitated also more than 1,000 elderly people, and we have now we have provided shelter to these people.
For a long time, Kanubai and his wife lived in Hampton, Virginia, where he worked at the NASA Langley Research Center. He also worked for the US government's Defense Department. Gandhi's wife is a PhD in biochemistry, first taught in Boston and later left the job to do research at the Boston Biomedical Research Institute.
It's shameful for the, for our country, you can say, and being Indians, because the father of nation, his grandson, to whom he was most loving grandson of Mahatma Gandhi, Kasturba Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, they loved him lot. And that grandson is now in old age home. And if we can't give anything, at least we should give him respect. Though it's our duty to take care of him, because the age, he is 87 years old. Without expecting anything from him, it is our duty, because in such a age, a person, he becomes physically and mentally weak. I call it a mental sickness of old age.